All right, everyone, so you know that one recipe that every year goes viral and just takes over the internet? Well, this one didn't just go viral, it never stopped. It took over TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and probably your neighbor's tailgate, birthday party, and every other party that you've been to this year. And honestly, you probably said to yourself each and every time, can cream cheese really be that good? Well, today we're gonna find out. And I promise, if you do it my way, you'll never show up to a party empty-handed again. So stick around to the end and I'll show you how my topping takes us from viral to legendary. Welcome back to the BBQ Test Pit. For those of you that's your first time here, I'm Craig, and on this channel, we go and we test all the viral recipes, rubs, seasonings, and everything else barbecue-wise and barbecue accessory-wise to find out if you should try it, buy it, or smoke it. Now today, we're gonna forget all about 12-hour brisket smokes, all-day ribs. We are going for a quick, foolproof, 5-minute prep time that will absolutely melt minds. And we're talking about the internet's favorite appetizer, smoked cream cheese. But today, we're just not gonna smoke cream cheese. We're gonna take it to the next level, and we are gonna start with Meat Church's Texas Sugar barbecue rub. So let's get going. So when it comes to making this, there's 3 things that matter. One is the cheese. You need good quality cream cheese. You could use Philadelphia. This is the 8-ounce block. You could buy the bigger 5-pound blocks, but these smoke the best. The second is the seasoning. You have to have a good seasoning, and we do. We have the Meat Church Texas Sugar. The next is smoke. So today I got my Yoder YS640 set up, and I have the Jack's Jealous Devil Legendary Pellet blend in there with oak, hickory, and cherry blend. So that's just going to give us a real light smoke, really nice color, and it should take this above and beyond. So let's get going. Grab your cream cheese. Let's get them opened up. You could do this in a cast iron skillet. You could do it in a foil pan or whatever. I just made this little tiny foil plate out of aluminum foil so that I can keep my cream cheese on it and rotate it in the smoker if I need to. Not that I couldn't do that if I used a pan or a cast iron skillet. I just thought no sides, I'm gonna get better smoke. So it's up to you. Do whatever the hell you want. This is what I wanted to do. Now that I'm thinking about it, I realize it doesn't even make any sense. But let's get your cream cheeses open. All right, once you got your cream cheeses open, grab a sharp knife, and we're just gonna score this. I'm gonna cross cut this diamond shaped. All right, when we season this, we're gonna go on Texas Sugar and just season the hell out of it. Get in all sides. All right, remember, smoker's at 225, and that's the sweet spot. You don't want it any hotter than this. This is cheese. We are smoking it. We are not cooking it. We're not turning this to soup. Believe me, you do not want to clean out blocks of cream cheese out of your smoker because you turn it into a melty mess. So we're just gonna place it here, close the lid, and we'll be back in 2 hours. That's it. That's the hardest part. We're just walking away. During the time this is smoking, the rub and the smoke are just gonna blend together. They're gonna meld into that cheese and form a nice crusty bark, and that bark's gonna keep that block from melting all over the place and just keep it into a nice big chunk. Drop a comment below and let me know what wood you would use for this, cherry, pecan, or apple. All right, what's up? Welcome back. It's been about 2 hours and it's time for the big reveal, so let's take a look and see how they turned out.
Ladies and gentlemen, please buckle your seatbelts and get ready for liftoff.
Well, those look absolutely amazing. Those slices that we put in the beginning just opened up as like giant flavor canyons. So let's get this shit put on a plate and let's bite into it. All right, so this just looks absolutely delicious. But let me tell you, and what takes a backyard cook to next level status. First, we're gonna top it off with some, I know this is hot honey because I made it and I put the red sticker on it and it's hot. So I'm just gonna top one of these off here. I'm just gonna squeeze some hot honey all over this thing. I'm gonna really let it soak into those score marks that we made. And that should be delicious. And for the second one, I got some sweet jalapeno jam, chili jam. Yeah, I'm just gonna spread it all over here. And these, you know what? Should we top it with some green onion? Just a little garnish? Sure. Let it stand out from the crowd even more. So now you're probably wondering what we do next. Well, grab yourself a nice sturdy pita chip, not just some old flimsy ass cracker. You need a good sturdy pita chip. And let's bite into this and give it a try. I'll start with the jalapeno jelly one. Get on there, really good. That is fucking amazing. That is why this has broken the internet. That is why you need to try this. That is everything you want. Sweet, spicy, smoky. That Texas sugar just really adds so much extra flavor over just putting cheese on a grill and smoking it. I'm gonna dive into this hot honey one real quick. Get a nice big scoop. Oh, yeah. That honey, that spicy honey paired with the sweetness of the meat church rub, out of this world. That is out of this world. I'm gonna get one more bite. Just look at that cheesy, jammy. This is absolutely amazing. A definite must try. Drop in the comments if you made this. Let me know what kind of seasoning and rub you used, what kind of wood you smoked it with, and what your thoughts were on it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. And go out there and fire up that grill. Click on one of these videos above here.
Wait. Is that innovation I can smell?
Bonus footage. We're gonna get to see everybody try it. Come on, let's see what we got here. This is a jalapeno, sweet jalapeno peppered chili jam. Fucking pickles. There we go. I'm gonna try some. She don't want to be on camera, so don't let her know she's seen her. This is a hot honey. Just don't worry about the fucking pita chips.